There she is, 2016 XRL 650. It only got 7,000 miles. It's had all the mods to it. First, basically first run this winter. It's very cold-blooded, of course. It's a Honda. It's had all the mods done to it. Checked all but one. They are done. Haven't checked the sprocket yet. Michael's gonna go on his first little try to ride it. So first gear, down along the field, hop on there. Yes, we've already talked all about this. It's a very tall bike. I gotta get a lowering link for me to get on it. I can get on, but I get about 6 inches from touching the ground. So we don't know what's gonna happen here. Missed the basketball goal, please. It's just like your four-wheeler. Yes, I'm nervous. Back here. Forgot about the dogs. There he goes, very first ride. Gizzy! Got it low, sorry guys. I told him just go real slow, it's too wet out there. Trying to stay over by the field. Just so he can take it for a little ride today because it's freezing. He's gonna kill it right there. But he is. Oops, I guess you want to see him. I was watching him myself. Yes, everything works on it. There he is. Go ahead and do another lap. Hey, no, yes, move. Why no? No! Get back here! Get back here! Get up there! You're ruining my shot. That's what I need you to get ran over and wreck the bike trying to miss you. No, back here. Yeah, it's a terrible wind and it's freezing out here. There's better. He's better on this corner. Of course, this is his first time.